From seemingly harmless insects to predators who are at the top of the food chain, this list of dangerous animals will blow your mind. Keep watching until the end as we show you 20 of the most dangerous animals in the world. Let's start with the small animals who seem quite harmless but in reality are responsible for millions of deaths annually. Yeah, we're talking about mosquitoes. These little buggers are found in nearly every corner of the world, from the freezing Arctic regions to the hot and humid tropical areas. And did you know that they claim the most number of lives every year? It's estimated that mosquitoes are responsible for approximately 725,000 deaths annually, primarily due to the diseases they transmit. What makes mosquitoes dangerous is the diseases they carry, such as malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, yellow fever, and even various forms of encephalitis. Malaria affects millions of people worldwide, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa, and can cause severe illness and death if not treated properly. Other mosquito-borne diseases, such as dengue fever and the Zika virus, have garnered global attention due to their potential to cause outbreaks and serious complications, especially in tropical regions. Who knew this little bug could be so lethal? While mosquitoes are deadly, this next insect will blow your mind. Bees, with their essential role as pollinators, are generally considered beneficial creatures. However, their defensive nature and ability to deliver painful stings can make them dangerous, especially in cases of allergic reactions or multiple stings. While most bee stings result in mild discomfort, a small percentage of the population is highly allergic, and anaphylactic reactions can occur. It's estimated that bees cause approximately 60 deaths per year worldwide. These deaths are typically the result of anaphylactic shock, which occurs in individuals with severe allergies to bee venom. When stung, bees release a pheromone that incites other bees to attack, potentially leading to multiple stings. What makes bees particularly hazardous is their ability to execute mass-coordinated attacks when they perceive a threat to their colony. Although the sting of a single bee is not lethal, the cumulative effects of multiple stings can be fatal, especially if the stung person is allergic. Moving on, we have another unusual animal that is quite lethal to humans. Tapeworms, although not large animals, have earned their place on this list of deadliest creatures due to the impact they have on human health. It's estimated that tapeworms are responsible for approximately 2,000 deaths worldwide each year. Tapeworms are parasitic flatworms that can infect humans through the consumption of contaminated food or water. Once inside the human body, they attach themselves to the intestinal wall and can reach considerable lengths, sometimes even several meters. They can also deprive the human host of essential nutrients, leading to malnutrition and weakness. In severe cases, tapeworms can migrate to other organs, including the brain, potentially causing life-threatening conditions. Other insects and animals that are quite lethal, being responsible for thousands of deaths worldwide, include Ascaris roundworms, scorpions, tsetse flies, assassin bugs, freshwater snails, and sandflies. These bugs can be quite deadly and mostly affect people in less developed tropical countries. Many countries in Africa are especially plagued by these awful pests. Enough about the bugs, let's tell you about the lethal animals. Starting with the mighty tiger. Renowned for its grace, strength, and striking appearance, the tiger is both a symbol of power and a formidable predator. Among its subspecies, the Bengal tiger has a high number of attacks on humans. Encroachment into their territories and the loss of their habitat have led to more encounters between humans and tigers, sometimes with fatal outcomes. It's estimated that tigers claim approximately 50 victims per year. They're capable of silently stalking their prey, utilizing camouflage and stealthy movements to close in. Tigers often rely on ambush tactics, using their powerful jaws and sharp teeth to deliver a deadly bite to the neck or throat of their prey. In some cases, a tiger that has successfully preyed on humans may develop a pattern of man-eating behavior. This can be a learned response if the tiger finds it easier and more rewarding to target humans rather than natural prey. The Champawat tiger, a Bengal tiger, was responsible for an estimated 436 deaths in Nepal in the early 20th century. But moving on, Our next entrant is way more dangerous than the tiger. In the vastness of the ocean, few creatures command the respect and awe that sharks do. As apex predators, they sit atop the marine food chain. And of course, movies like Jaws strengthen our fears. Most shark attacks on humans occur due to mistaken identity or curiosity rather than a deliberate attempt to consume them. But what happens when it does? Sharks are dangerous due to their streamlined bodies and powerful tails, allowing them to move swiftly through the water at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. This agility enables sharks to ambush their prey with lightning-fast strikes, using their razor-sharp teeth to tear through flesh and bones. However, it's their highly developed senses that make sharks the ocean's top predators. Their acute sense of smell allows them to detect even the faintest scent of blood over great distances. In addition to their sense of smell, sharks possess a unique electroreception system, small sensory organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, that enables them to detect the electric fields generated by the muscle contractions of potential prey. This remarkable sense helps sharks locate concealed or camouflaged prey. The deep waters of the ocean are home to some deadly creatures. This next one is capable of producing a deadly sting. You see, beneath the calm waters of the ocean and seas, jellyfish await, concealing their powerful sting. Armed with toxic tentacles and equipped with specialized cells called nematocysts, jellyfish are responsible for approximately 40 deadly victims per year. Species like the box jellyfish are particularly infamous for their potent venom. Found in the waters of the Indo-Pacific region, they possess tentacles filled with stinging cells. When a human comes into contact with the tentacles of a box jellyfish, its nematocysts are activated, releasing venom into the victim's skin. The sting of a box jellyfish is described as an intense burning or stinging sensation. The pain can be immediate and severe, often causing the person to scream or writhe in agony. The venom affects the nervous system and induces symptoms such as muscle cramps, breathing difficulties, chest pain, and even cardiac arrest. Another perilous species is the Portuguese man-of-war, which floats on the ocean's surface and can deliver painful and potentially deadly stings. These animals use their venom to immobilize their prey, primarily consisting of small fish and plankton. However, unintended encounters with humans can occur during swimming or diving expeditions, resulting in stings and, in severe cases, systemic reactions. Other wild animals that are quite deadly and responsible for hundreds of deaths annually include wolves, wild buffaloes, hippos, elephants, and crocodiles. Bear in mind that these animals don't go on a rampage killing humans. Rare cases come to light now that more and more humans are encroaching on their lands. But moving on, the next deadly animal that makes this list is shocking, to say the least. Dogs, known as man's best friend, have unfortunately earned a place on this list due to their involvement in attacks and the transmission of rabies. It's estimated that dogs cause approximately 25,000 to 59,000 deaths annually due to rabies. What makes dogs dangerous in terms of attacks is aggression, which can be influenced by factors such as poor socialization, abuse, or protective instincts. While the majority of dogs are friendly and pose no danger, cases of dog attacks, particularly involving stray or unleashed dogs, can result in severe injuries and, in some cases, death. Rabies, a viral disease that affects the central nervous system, is another significant concern associated with the dogs. Dogs are the primary reservoirs and transmitters of the rabies virus to humans. When an infected dog bites a person, the virus is transmitted through saliva, leading to potentially deadly infections. Preventing dog attacks involves responsible pet ownership, including training, socialization, and proper confinement of dogs. Moving on, the next most deadly animal isn't a big surprise. Snakes, with their venomous bites and powerful constrictions, are often considered one of the deadliest creatures on Earth. It's estimated that snake bites cause approximately 138,000 deaths annually, primarily in rural and tropical areas where venomous snake species are prevalent. Venomous snakes possess specialized glands that produce venom, which they inject into their prey through hollow fangs. Snake venom can contain various toxins, including neurotoxins, hemotoxins, and cytotoxins, which can cause severe damage to the nervous system, blood, and even tissues. Snake bites can result in a range of symptoms, including intense pain, swelling, bleeding, organ failure, and, in severe cases, death. Interestingly, snakes exhibit remarkable diversity in size, habitat, and behavior. From the massive reticulated python to the venomous king cobra, they have captivated human curiosity for centuries. Snake species such as the black mamba and the inland taipan are known for their potent venom, which can rapidly induce paralysis and death if not promptly treated. And finally, the deadliest animal in the world responsible for hundreds of thousands of deaths annually are us humans. Shocking, isn't it? Although humans may not be the traditional animals to consider in discussions about the deadliest creatures, it's important to note that humans belong to the animal kingdom based on biological classification. Humans can inflict significant harm upon themselves and others. It's estimated that humans cause approximately 400,000 deaths annually due to various factors, including violence, accidents, and diseases. What makes humans dangerous is their complex nature, which includes remarkable intelligence as well as the potential for destructive behavior. Human conflicts, wars, and acts of violence contribute to a significant number of deaths worldwide. Well, there you have it. You now know which deadly animal you need to be wary about. Which of these animals shocked you the most? Do let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.